In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this Aroon indicator in a simple, easy and powerful way. And as I say in all of my videos, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from me or from some paid course, always test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think it is working for you in your demo account, then only use it in your real account. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. But before, if you don't have an account on Pocket Option and want to get a 50% first time deposit bonus, then I have given a link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account. So now, firstly, let me remove this Aroon indicator. So in order to place your Aroon indicator at here, you just need to click at here and then select this Aroon. Okay, now you can see there will be blue and red line, but let's change this blue line to green line so that we don't get any confusion while making trades. So let's save it. Okay, and your candlestick should be Japanese candlestick and your candle time frame must be M1, that means 1 minute. Each of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. So how much you want to invest, you can put it at here. Okay, and then you can select the time frame. You can trade on 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. You can test it in demo account and see which time frame is appropriate for you and make trades on that time frame, but I would suggest you to go with 1 minute time frame. Okay, so now let's understand about this Aroon indicator. So as you can see here, there is green line and red line. Okay, and here are the range 100, okay, and 0, right? So now whenever the green line is above 70 level and red line is below 30 level, that means the uptrend. Similarly, so here also you can see this is the downtrend above 70 level and below 30 level. If above 70 level red, then and below 30 level green, then that's a downtrend. Now, in order to make trade, you need to find such point, okay, where this Aroon indicator is totally at this 100 level. Okay, so for example, here you can see it is at 100. Okay, and red is at 100 level. Okay, and green is also below this, near to this 0 level. Okay, that is the signal where you need to make trade by clicking on lower. And if you find these kind of points with Aroon indicator, then most of your trades are going to be right. Okay, if you use this above 70 and below 30 level, then most of your trade would not go right. Okay, and most people use Aroon indicator in that way. But what you can do is you can always find this kind of place where Aroon indicator is at 100 level, this red line is at 100 level and green line is at 0 level. Okay, anywhere near that, and that is the clear signal for you to go with lower trade. Okay, so similarly, let's find out. So here also you can see it is at this 100 level, near to 100 level, and here also you can see it is at 0 level, so that means an uptrend. Okay, so in this way you can use Aroon indicator to make trades. Now if you think this video added some value to your life, then make sure to like this video and don't forget to ask me in the comment section if you have any questions. And if you want to learn about any other indicator, then also you can comment below and suggest me about the indicators, and I'll make sure to bring that video for you. Take care. Bye bye.